Hello, different tech buzz, and we've got the latest Google Nest Doorbell in, and this is a battery operated one here. So this is what the package looks like here. 24/7 live view in HDR, see what's happening even in the dark. Phone alerts for packages and people in HD, talk and listen. And that's what it's like on the back, and some stuff written on the side. So let's get into it and have a look. So we get the traditional white box, and that is the bell there to see what else we get inside. And you will get your charging cable. You will get your door mount, quite similar to any other bell door mount. So you have a kind of marker there, you have a decent cable there, and you also have in here, give us a look at this. This is the screws and fixtures, so you can hook up to an existing system there to do with these guys here. And that's pretty much it there. So just move them to one side. You got a decent cable as well, USB-C, USB-A, which is nice. And we will move over onto the doorbell. So that's the size of it there, which is pretty much standard today. So you've got your big button here, your Google logo in the middle, and this piece up on top, which is raised, and it's got the lens there and in black color. And then on the back here is what it looks like here, and you just have to remove these and connect it all up. So you've got a nice clicky button there, and that's pretty much it. So you've got decent mounts here as well. So this will be the back plate, and you will hook it up onto the wall, and it should be firm and solid. You've even got the Google logo in here on this. And do we have anything on this here? No Google logo mentioned there at all. But that's it there. It's pretty solid, as you can see. So this will pop on the back here, and you will place it whichever side suits you best. This looks like universal here, so that's pretty much it there. So what we'll do is we'll get it all mounted up and get it going, and then get you some footage, and we'll come back then with a full review. And if you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask us, and you can fire away while we get things set up and all that. And your USB-C port in there for charging. So this is where you're going to charge it here. You can see inside there. And that's pretty much what this looks like here. So that's just a quick unboxing of the new Google Nest Doorbell. Any questions, feel free to hit us up, and we'll gladly answer you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one on techbuzzireland.com.